So over here, you can see that I got this document right here. And let's say what I want to actually go ahead and do is replace the word online learning with e-education. Let's say, for example, then I can actually use the find and replace tool. So for that, I can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, find and replace. And here you can go ahead on to replace. And here what you can do is type in, let's say, for example, the text that you want to search. So I'm just going to go around over here on to replace right here and type in online education. So let's just go ahead and type it in right here. Online and education right here, just like this. And it highlights out the let's say, for example, the word, as you can see right here, or I want online learning. So let's just go ahead and type it in and you can see the word online learning. So I want to replace it out with the word e-education, just like this. And now once I do that and click on replace all, you can see that it has now been replaced with e-education. And if you want to go ahead and find that out again, you can simply go to find and replace and then go to e-education right here. You can go ahead and type it, and since it has to highlight, you can see that it's not showing, but this is what you have. And then you can press enter like next and previous to go ahead and see those particular words right there. So that is how you can go ahead and use the find and replace option inside of word editor in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.